Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see NSFW content on Telegram on iPhone. First, it's important to know what is this. On iPhone, Telegram has extra restriction because of Apple App Store rules. So some sensitive or NSFW channel may appear hidden or blocked inside the app. Don't worry, it's a simple workaround. First, open Safari or any web browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type web.telegram.org. In first box, type your country, and second, type your phone number and log in. Once you are logged in, tap the menu icon or three dots in the top left corner. After that, go to the setting, find the privacy and security. Now look for the option that says sensitive content or disable filtering and turn them on. This tells Telegram that you want to view sensitive content. After that, close the browser and reopen the Telegram app on your iPhone. Now search for the channel or group again. You should be able to see and open NSFW content that was previously blocked. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.